you, Lord, for your mercy never fades all my days. You guys know the song? Because you guys are acting like you don't know the song. You know the song? I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails all my days. I'm listening. And I've known you as a father. I'm listening. All my days in the goodness of God. All the chorus goes. So sing with me. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. What do you keep doing? Come on, sing with me. Yes, your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. So if you're thankful for life today, I just want to see your hands in the air right now. I just want you to know that I'm so honored to be a part of this event to raise funds for the JAHJAH Foundation. And I just want you to wave your hands in the air and just give God his praise and sing with me. Says, all my life you have been good. If God has been good to you, I want you to sing with me. Come on. And all my life you have been so. Come on, again. Every breath that I have taken. Oh, what we gonna do? I will sing of the goodness of God. Yeah, 'cause your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after. I said it's running after me. Your goodness is running after. It's running after me. Take it down, real low. If you survived something in your life, if God has been good to you, right where you are, I need to hear this room filled with praise. I just need y'all to sing this chorus with me. Low, please. Sing with me. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. Come on, sing it. Sing it like you're singing to the Lord, like you are so blessed. Life you have been so good. I want to hear you. Come on. With every breath that I have taken. Come on. What we gonna do? I will sing of the goodness of God. I don't know who this is for, but let me tell you something. God is able. He's awesome. No matter what it is in your life you've been through, let me tell you, you are never alone. Man will fail you, but God will never fail. And I'll tell you, all the days of my life to my last breath. I surrender. Said I surrender all, yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. Do you know why? Do you know why? You know why? 'Cause he's a way maker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Come on, y'all sing it with me, come on. Hey, say way maker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. So you are here, moving in this place, and I worship you. I worship you. You are here, moving in our midst, and we worship you. We worship you, Lord. We worship you. Said I surrender all. I just want y'all to sing with me. I surrender all. Yes, Lord. All to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender. Somebody give God a praise in the room tonight. Somebody give God a praise. If you're thankful to be alive, say yes. Say yes. God is awesome. That was personal. I'm sorry, guys, but I almost didn't make it here tonight. So I had to give him his reverence. I'm telling y'all, it ain't even a story. Literally almost a week before this event. So that's how you know the enemy is always working. So you gotta thank God. In all things, we gotta give him praise. I was in the hospital. They told me I wouldn't come out in 4 days. And the next day, God said you needed to be at JAHJAH Foundation tonight. So I'm here tonight. I'm here to give him his praise. I'm here to testify. I'm here to tell you he is able no matter what. So thank you for indulging me.